What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Brave Angler, and it's another tournament day. Back with Rick Amato.
Hey guys.
And today we're on the Harris chain. It is going to be a really windy day, so we're going to be fishing a lot of shielded areas. Try and maybe do some offshore as early as possible before the wind picks up, because it's supposed to get up to what, 22 mile per hour gusts? 33 mile per hour gusts, yeah. So let's get you guys mounted up and let's get to fishing. Wonder if we should go check the Northwest Cove while the wind's coming in from that way.
Where's that?
It's across the lake over there. I could show you on your map. This might just be getting blown out too much, because I mean the rain already dropped the water quite a bit. Like, it was 72, 73 out here the last time I was on the Harris chain.
I'm 75 right here.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
So
There is some warmer water right here. A lot of shit in the water. A lot of debris, so we got to clean up.
yeah, it just might be a little too they're feeling lazy. They might not want to be keeping up with this current.
Well, I'm going to go up here.
Oh,
Get a bite? You got one?
yep. Sorry, we ain't taking no chances this time. What's the limit? 12 inches? That's a 12 incher. That's a 12 incher. Oh man, I forgot my contacts. Oh well.
There's a board right there.
Ah, see? Cinco ribbon tails actually might be on. I might be onto something.
There you go.
Oh yeah. I always forget where this thing is. Let's see. All right.
Looks like okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Close your mouth, bro. Yeah, he's a 14. Thanks for biting, bud. You just got my confidence back. Ooh. I'm getting squirted. Still getting squirted. All right. Well,
There's
that just answered my question, though. Ooh.
there's ice and stuff in here. So there's spring water. Everything's good there.
Perfect. Thank you. All right. So that just proved my theory wrong. So, all right. There we go. Grab another one of these hand swim baits.
Watch the shit show on the classic, did you?
No. But I'm gonna get another bite right quick.
I got a gut feeling on something because this goes like this.
Right.
I'm gonna go a little bit quicker here.
What a disappointment. Such a Bass Haven-esque.
Well, there must be a speed limit on this because when we get down at the end, the big sign says resume speed. But I don't see no signs up here. So, it didn't say anything coming in.
Yeah, with it being so narrow, I almost guarantee it's like minimum wake or
Yeah, if
no
the
wake.
manatees come in here, you'll kill them, you know.
Yeah.
Did you just see, I don't know when or where. I was in Florida. Some guy wrote a manatee killed his friend. Want to go down there?
It's up to you. If we want to, we can go fish the canal between Harris, or go fish Dora Canal a little bit, where there's a little bit more nature. But it's up to you. But we need to have. I personally don't think this is working. So yeah. But yeah, they pretty much just hang out right on this grass line.
We're supposed to get.
Oh,
Yeah, I had a feeling about this one. We're gonna stop right here. Alright, let's try to put a pattern together. So, you see how it was this thing? And I was looking at that. But these fish are probably holding tight to the bottom.
okay, he's still good. All right. Still gotta get you one though.
Huh?
Still gotta get you one though. Oh, had a bite. Oh no, he took all my worms.
Did they get a bite?
Yeah.
Where was he at?
In that like light grass right there by that boat dock. Little sucker.
Back?
Yeah, that was a big bite. Like I said, he wanted it and he got it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's 2 bites in a row that I missed. And they're good bites. Like, I'm not moving the fish at all. Oh yeah, no, they're like 5 feet in the grass. They're not like super far in there. We did our best. Yeah. There we don't go. Oh. I'm making this hard on myself. For 2 fish, should be.
Well, you got that big.
Big?
That guy goes, I go, he's got close to a 10.
Huh.
Come on. The quicker you let me catch you, the quicker you go back in the lake.
Yeah. Stevie Brave.
11, 12 o'clock.
Is this thing down?
Should be.
Yeah.
And just 2.
How many you got?
Just 2.
Got 2. 2 alive.
And then Rick didn't get any.
2-9. So you beat him, huh?
All right, guys, so let's kind of go over what happened. You know, we're back at the house, getting the boat ready to go down to Toho tomorrow. What happened on Lake Eustis is we got blown out, man. It was some pretty hefty winds, 30-mile-an-hour gusts. And it was some rough water. We waited until it was far too late in the day to just try and run to a different lake. We ended up catching another fish off Harris, and then we went to the north side of the lake, you know, waiting for a weigh in. I missed those 2 key bites, some big bites. But, you know, like, it's a learning experience. This was the first tournament that I did with the Lake County Bassmasters, my local Bass Nation affiliated club, and at least we didn't come in empty-handed. You know, unfortunately Rick did not catch anything, but you know, as we progress through these tournaments and try these different lakes, we're going to continue to get better and hopefully put a big one in the boat and actually go up there with 5 fish. If you're following along in our 13 fishing fate casting rod, not the reel, just the rod, the code word is going to be big bites. You definitely don't want to miss out on this giveaway. We got other giveaways coming up after this one concludes on June 15th. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Now go catch a fish.